How to edit public profile on Snapchat. So you want to actually edit your public profile on Snapchat. Maybe let's say you want to actually start growing your Snapchat account. In this video tutorial, I'm going to actually help you to get that done. So the first step you need to take here is to go to your Snapchat account. Meanwhile, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, hit the subscribe button. It's really going to help. So let's dive right into the video. The first step you need to take here is to go to your Snapchat app like this. Now quickly go to your profile section like this. So right here you can see where it says public profile. You simply need to go ahead and click on that like this. So looking right here, you can see the numbers of followers I have here. So in order for you to actually edit your profile, looking right here at the top corner of the screen, you can see the edit button. That is the pen icon at the top corner of the screen. So you simply need to go ahead and click on that. Right here, you can click on the pencil icon like this and delete the existing photo if you already have one there. Or you can simply click on choose from library and select a photo from your library. So I'm going to quickly select this one and hit the confirm button like this. Looking right here as well, you can see where you can actually add your name. Now let's say Appfix and N like this, and then go ahead and click on location as well, United States like this. So the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on where you can see show followers count and turn this on so that people will be able to see the numbers of followers you have on Snapchat. So going back right here as well, looking here, you can see that we now have a profile right here. Now clicking on the image icon at the top right corner of the screen, you can go ahead and click on that in order to add a background image to your Snapchat as well. So you can simply go ahead and select the image like this and click on upload. So once you do that, as you can see here on the screen, this is my profile and I've been able to edit and add the necessary information to my profile. So this is how simple it is to edit your public profile on Snapchat. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.